This is Bubble Palace, also known as Palais Bulles. Bubble Palace is a huge residence in Thieu-sur-Mer, close to Cannes, France. The building was designed by the Hungarian architect Antti Lovag and period of construction was 1975 to 1989. The palace was actually built for a French industrialist, but later on a fashion designer named Pierre Cardin bought it as his holiday home. Lavishly extending its extravagant bubbles over 1200 square meters with a view onto the Mediterranean Sea, it features 10 original suites and an open-air amphitheater of 500 seats and a garden space comprising over 8,500 square meters, including a swimming pool and various smaller following ponds. Undoubtedly, this is a estate of flourishing grandeur, but it is also a radical piece of architecture that proposes new ways of living without a compromise. Follow f.y.i for more such content.